About Michael. I was young. I was very young. My brother was getting out of hand. And I heard so many different things. And then I heard everyone screaming one time, and then also it was Michael. And then I understood Michael was getting in trouble more and more. And I could see the tension. And with Michael, that's where it all started. I was very little. Now, I'm much older. ICS, NCI, ICC, I. This is the beginning of my life.